Today, I'll show you how to redeem PayPal gift card. First, open the message, email, or receipt where you received your PayPal gift card or digital code. Before redeeming it, check the details carefully. Look for the gift card amount, country, currency, expiration rules if any, and redemption instructions. This is important because some gift cards only work in certain regions or with specific accounts. Now open your browser and go to the official PayPal website or open the PayPal app on your phone. Sign in to your PayPal account using your email and password. If PayPal asks for two-step verification, complete the security check. Once you are signed in, look for wallet, activity, deals, rewards, or gift cards, depending on the type of code you received. Some PayPal gift cards are redeemed directly into PayPal balance, while others may be merchant gift cards purchased through PayPal. If your gift card came with a redeem link, tap or click that link. Make sure the link opens the official PayPal website before entering any information. If the gift card gives you a code, copy the code carefully. Paste it into the redemption field, then tap Redeem, Apply, or Submit. After redeeming, check your PayPal balance or activity page to confirm that the value was added. If the gift card is for a specific store, it may not appear as PayPal balance. Instead, you may need to use it at that store during checkout. If the code does not work, check for typing mistakes, spaces, expired codes, or region restrictions. Also make sure the code has not already been used. Never share your PayPal password, verification code, or one-time security code with anyone offering to redeem the gift card for you. So, to keep it simple, sign into PayPal, open the correct redeem link or gift card section, enter your code, redeem it, and check your balance or activity. And that's how you redeem PayPal gift card. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.